Portable Wi-Fi Mobile Hotspot is an essential Android application that enables users to share their mobile data connection with other devices. This app transforms a smartphone into a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing tablets, laptops, and other smartphones to connect to the internet via the phone's mobile data. The application typically provides a straightforward setup process, allowing users to configure their hotspot with a custom name, SSID, and password for security. It supports various tethering options, including sharing through Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth, giving users flexibility in how they connect their devices. This app is particularly beneficial for users who need internet access on multiple devices while on the go, such as during travel or in areas lacking Wi-Fi. It often includes features to monitor data usage, manage connected devices, and adjust settings for optimal performance. Overall, the portable Wi-Fi mobile hotspot application is a practical solution for staying connected in an increasingly mobile world, ensuring users can access the internet whenever and wherever needed.